Good afternoon, children. Last class we have seen the self practice to be the types of the triangles, then how to name the given the triangles, means it is like acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, or a straight angle, isn't it right? So today's class will see the new chapter called geometric shapes. Next is polygon. What do you mean by polygon? A polygon is a simple closed figure. It is made up of all the line segments. For example, we'll say that triangle, rectangle, square, or a pentagon. All the types, all the line segments will be joined and it will be formed like a closed figure. No, that type of figures will call it as a polygon. Okay, then all the line segments will call as sides and the points will call it as vertices. Next we will see the triangle. What do you mean by triangle? A triangle will look like a three sides. It has been formed a three line segment. It was a joining together with their end points. Then a triangle has a three sides, three vertices and a three angles. Three sides of a polygon that has a three angles or three vertices, three sides. We will be calling it as the sum of the interior angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. Here you can see in this image sides AB, BC, CAC will be the sides and angles angle A, angle B and angle C. Next we will see the classification of a triangle. There are a 6 classification. Under that they have classified by a sides and by a angle. So by a sides there are 3 types. One we call it as an equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. Then by the angles, acute angle, right angle and the obtuse angle. So what do you mean by equilateral triangle? In the equilateral triangle, all the sides, all the 3 sides will be the equal. That type of triangles will call it as an equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangles. In isosceles triangle, 2 sides will be equal and another sides will be other sides. So that type of triangles will call it as an isosceles triangle. Other sides means another they have given, suppose they may give 2 sides at 2 centimeter, third side will be the 3 centimeter. That type of triangles will call it as an isosceles. Then the scalene triangle, all the sides will be different. That type of triangles will call it as a scalene triangle. Have you got now types of triangles by the sides? Next we will see the by the angles. Acute angle, that means all the angles will be the less than 90 degree. That type of angles will call it as an acute triangle or acute angle triangle. Then the right angle. In the right angle, only the one side angle will be the 90 degree. That type of triangles will call it as an right angle triangle or right triangle. Then obtuse angle. It has only a greater than 90 degree. The one side of angle will be the greater than 190 degree. That type of triangles will call it as an obtuse triangle. Means a triangle with the one obtuse angle will call it as an obtuse angle triangle. Have you understood, children? Thank you. Have a nice day.